why our five senses are important? Well, for those who are shy to answer, you can also utilize our chat box so they can share their answer and I can read it out loud. Okay? So basically the importance of our five senses are to stimulate emotions and the visual senses of our drawing. So as we all know, once or if we are okay, very good, yes, to be aware of our surroundings. So yes, as we all know that our five senses or when we are creating an artwork, the first the organ that we are using or the body part is our sense of eyes, right? So so it helps us or we use our five senses to stimulate or to explain our artworks. For example, in our eyes, since our eyes is our main wait, since our eyes is the main body parts that we use to for an artwork, of course, it is important that we utilize it. So, using our sense of sight, we can see the colors, the vibrancy, the value, the contrast of an artwork. And in touch, we use our sense of touch. If we have textured artworks, have you seen like what do you call this? Mache art. Those are texturized art, so you can touch a soft or rough art. Okay, so for today, for our activity for today, so since we will just be drawing and drawing, we will just more on drawing right now. I'm sorry. Wait lang. Shut up. Full screen. Okay, so kita nyo ba? Yes. Yeah, socket power. Even skin, yeah. For touching, yes. For touching and less about our ears and nose. Those, yes, those, of course, all of those body parts that we have is important. Or we have to stimulate those senses so we can bring our artworks into life. So for today, since we are about to draw our five senses, we're I'm going to guide you on how you can create the five senses or how you can draw the five senses. So as you can see in your screen, we have the basic shapes or the simple version of an eye and the detailed version of an eye. Of course, most of you will say, teacher, it's so hard to draw naman. Yes, I do understand you. I can hear you, kids. But for now, we're going to apply all the learnings or all the learnings that we have from our previous lesson, which is the shading technique and the construction technique. Can you still remember? Can you still recall those discussion we had from our last session? Can you remember that? The merging and then the shading techniques. Can you remember those po? Yes po. So for now, what we're going to do is we will apply first the constructing technique, which is one. First is to observe, and then tracing technique, and then merging technique. So our ears help us hear, and last is our lips it help us spell. Yes, yes, Sophia, yes, you are correct. We cannot only use our senses for an artwork, but also we can use it in our everyday lives. It helps us to function every day. So it is also important that we know how to draw it because at the end of your art class, as far as I know, you will have a self-portrait. So you can practice doing this one so you can draw yourself as well. So let us start now with our first activities because we today we are have or we will have like five drawings for today. I hope we can finish it those artwork that we cannot finish, I can give it to you as your homework. So for now, we will proceed with the eye, our sense of sight. So here's the guide. Just give me 1 second. This one. Okay, so for the eye, so this is the step by step. So what I want you to do is to draw the first one, this one up. Draw. We have to break down the complicated or the complex structure of an eye into basic shapes. So what I want you to do is to get your drawing paper. Can you please get your drawing paper, and then I want you to draw a triangle, two triangle, and then between two triangle, I want you to draw an eye, a square. Sorry, something like this. And then from this one, once you're done, you can proceed now with this, with the basic shape, with tracing techniques. You'll just have to trace it. Again, class, you don't have to draw the step by step. You just have to draw one eye, and please maximize the space of your paper so it will look good in the photo, okay? Because every after as usual, every after section you will have to send your artwork in the GC together with you, okay? So just in case you're done with this step na po, please utilize the hand raise button. Thank you. Details and shape. So please apply the techniques that we have learned last time. Okay. You can do the freehand, the hatching. So from this one, from this shape, triangle and square, we can create this one. So you just have to follow the step by step from this up until to this. And then, yeah, ganun lang. Shade lang until dito. Follow mo lang tong step na to. There's understood po?
Opo.
Okay. If in case na mauna or malate ka, I'll just give you more time later. Okay, para you can proceed now with, you can proceed now with ears mamaya. I think it's, nose na pala after na ito. So, but you can start na. For those who are not yet done, you can take your time. Let me know if you have any question. So again, the Giselle, in your eyebrow, you have the free will pot to choose if it's just a straight eyebrow, or you want an arch. And also with the lashes, it's up to you if you want to make it longer or shorter, okay? And also please maximize the space of your paper so it will look better in the photo. Okay po. In case you have question, let me know. Are you all done na po with the eyes?
Yes
Can
po.
you, okay, can you please show it to camera,
Yes.
please? Patingin po. Can you show it to camera? Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you po. Okay, Therese, you, sure, you can take your time po. No worries. Take your time lang po, Therese. Tina and Athena, you as well. Take your time po. Okay, let's just wait for them, okay? If you want to grab your snacks and you want to eat something or you want to drink something, you can eat it po, ha? No worries. If you want to go to the comfort room, you can also. Okay, thank you, Athena. Very good. Okay, thank you, Annika. Let's just wait for Therese. How about you, Ziljan? Are you done na po? Or do you still need more time po? Okay po, take your time. Real eyes compared to this one because it's more realistic because of the shading technique. And then we will now proceed with our nose, our sense for our sense of smell. So for this one, just like with our first sense, first body part, we always need to break down the complex structure of a nose to into basic shapes. So from this one, from two oval and then a line, we can create this one, and until this one. So I want you to to follow the step by step here, and then let me know if you have any if you're experiencing some difficulties with this one. Good. So again, you don't have to copy or you don't have to copy step by step. You just have to draw one nose and then just follow the step by step. But if you find it hard, just to start with this one to this one and to this one. You can proceed now with this ang apat. But it's up to you. You can just practice and practice po. I just lowered your hands. I just lowered your hands in case you need or in case you're done na po, please just raise your hand. Thank you.